So what do you do at 25 to 7 at night when you're sat in a camper van and it's dark outside? You try something new. We bought some cookie dough from Tesco's, so we thought we might just have a play. Don't know how it'll work because you're actually supposed to do this in the oven, but we'll give it a go anyway. So what we're doing, we're heating a Ridge Monkey up. We're going to open the packet. Dave Bertolini, this video might be for you because it might go horribly wrong, and we know you like to laugh at us. So we're opening the packet. You have read what to do, haven't you, Keith?
No.
Well, I don't know what to do.
So on our posh board.
On our new posh board. Yeah, we bought this today. This is our new chopping board.
Supposed to cut that into 8 pieces.
8 pieces, yes. Well, I'm going to try 2 bits for a start. Yeah. How thick do you reckon?
Well, an 1/8 of that.
Mind your fingers, this is nice, sharp. Up there. Bloody hell. Right. And another one. We're trying 2.
Yeah. Well, I want one.
Sorry?
I want one.
Oh, do you? Alright, sorry. Then what do we do?
Stick it in the oven.
Is that it?
Yes.
All
Allegedly.
Right. Smoking hot. Where's the... I don't hold out much hope for this. We're not supposed to flatten it out or anything, or?
You didn't say so.
The dog's panicking.
8 to 10 minutes. I think it'll be burnt by then.
I think I'm just going to keep flipping it. Shall I have a look now? Oh, it smells like cooking biscuits. If this works, and again this is aimed at you, Dave Bertolini, we want to see you doing this in your new camper van. Oh god, that's burning. Shall I try and flatten it out a bit? Might not be.
Oh, take it out then.
I'm trying. Right. We haven't got a rolling pin. Oh god. It's sticky. Right. Attempt number 2. Chocolate all over me breadboard.
What?
We've got pizzas to try another day. Why some other people do it? Well, now they're stuck together. God. Whose idea was this?
Yours. I actually need to turn it down a touch. It's too hot. I just keep shaking them to cool it down.
Like burnt pancakes at home. smoky in here.
Well, you will do these sorts of things on a cold evening when the door's shut, the heater's on.
I was trying to entertain you because you were bored.
Me? Or Dave?
Both of you. God. Well, they're not. They're squidgy. They're not hard like cookies. Oh, I suppose maybe if they're cooled down, then they're hard enough.
The dough needs to be cooked first, though.
These knives are very good, really sharp. You just watch your fingers if you buy one of these. I'm not going to lick the knife because it's very sharp.
Take your tongue off.
Some people might say that's a good idea. How do you like your biscuits? Well done. If anyone else wants to try this, anyone else?
Now they're smelling like cookies.
Yeah. Anyone else who's got a YouTube video wants to try this, see whether you can do better?
There's a challenge. I don't think it'd be very hard to do anything better, though.
It wouldn't be hard to do anything worse. I have to admit, I like the Ridge Monkey, but maybe
not for cookies.
Not for cookies.
Yeah. Perhaps we do need a little rolling pin in here then. Flatten them out, and then it was a quick.
Yeah, maybe. I think they're going to have to be
turned off.
Turned off now. Talk amongst yourselves. Well, cookies are supposed to be a bit soft, aren't they, in the middle? When you finish using your Ridge Monkey, leave it somewhere safe to cool because they do get very hot.
I think they need washing properly, though.
I think so. Just get the worst of it off. Come back in a few minutes. We'll let you know how it's gone. Okie dokie, let's
now they've cooled down a bit.
Cooled down. They sound a bit. That bit's broken off. Crunchy on the outside.
Raw on the inside.
No, they're cooked. They're not. If you like your cookies burnt, they're not bad. But actually, they don't taste that burnt, to be honest. But no, they're not bad. Yeah, they look a bit burnt. And if I'd done my toast like that, then I'd be scraping it off. But
well, I wouldn't. I'd be eating my toast
I know
like
you
that.
would. But yeah, I mean, that's a little bit soft, but it's only like cookies are supposed to be, I think. I don't think it's going to kill me. Not bad. Come on, you have a go. Not bad, are they?
Tastes more like sweet pancakes. Sweet crumpets.
Dogs aren't begging for any. It's a bit worrying. Yeah, not bad. They'll passable, just. So there you go. Cookie dough done in a Ridge Monkey. And
can you do better?
Can you do better than that? Let's just have a look. Have they passed the collie test? Rum. Oh, Rum's tried it. I think Tor might be different.
He's asleep.
No, he's not. He's watching.
So, he has eaten it.
Your turn.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.